Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Make Money Online. How to generate passive income using through YouTube, Facebook and Instagram, making videos, shorts and reels. Today I am honest review every AI how to useful and beneficial for you. Every AI world first universal AI app that allow you to search and unlock any AI model in the world. 30% off mid-year offer for the first 18 people. Hurry, use coupon code MID2025 and grab the offer. AI model in the world and access it with just one click from one dashboard. Finally, access ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Runway, ML, Leonardo AI, DAL-E, Pika Lab, Canva AI, Claude 3, Gemini, Copilot, Hugging Face 11 Lab, Llama, Midjourney. Agent GPT, Jasper, Stable Diffusion, Synthesia, Perplexity AI, OpenAI, Whisper, and 350 plus more without paying their hefty fee. Imagine creating website with Claude AI, write its content with ChatGPT, DeepSeek, create its logo and 3D workshop with Leonardo AI, create its landing page with Canva AI, promote it with Copilot Plus. Create 8K motion videos, 3D workshop, 4K images, generate voiceovers, tagging avatars, AI influencer, e-com store, website, generate article, write ads, share speech to text, clone voice, record screen, and more. All by simply searching for the best AI model inside every AI. No API cost. Save thousands every month while unleashing unlimited creative and business potential. Start using the universal AI app today and join the revolution. No limit, no fee, no waiting. Search, unlock any premium AI model you want without the subscription. Never pay for any AI model you like ever again. Instantly access every single AI model you want: ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, Claude, Midjourney, Plum 2.0, Llama, Jasper, and more. Generate website, funnel, workshop, tagging avatars, branding, logos, 8K animations, videos, screen recording, AI influencer, 4K images, e-com store, software app, chatbots, and tons more. Enjoy the world first universal AI app that does everything you want. No other app, AI model, services, or subscriptions are needed. Every AI is all that you need. Every AI enhance all AI model results, giving you 9 into better results. Lighting fast results. Imagine creating an entire website in 9 second flat. Start a profitable business for scratch with every AI in less than 60 seconds. Say goodbye to all the monthly payment forever. If you fail to grab every AI, your competition will and they will crush you. Automate any task you want with every AI with zero experience. No experience, skills, or learning needed. Every AI works for anyone. No API cost required. You pay once for every AI and enjoy it forever with no limits. Intuitive dashboard that will make exploiting AI models a brand breath 100% fail proof. Generate and sell anything you want with every AI and keep 100% of the profit. Does not matter what you are doing, every AI will transform your life. Once you reach our limit, we will take every AI down. Three commercial license include with your copy, so you can enjoy all the profit with no worries, no risk for your with for our 30 days money back guarantee. 30% of media offer for the first 18 people. Hurry up, use coupon code MID2025. Click here now to get started. With every eye, you will access every eye model ever created from one dashboard with zero cost. All with just 3 clicks. Step 1, login. Login to every eye intuitive dashboard. Step 2, search. Search for any eye model that like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, etc. Step 3, execute and profit. Now let it work for more and execute anything you want. Website, funnel, e-com, store, products, logos, tracking avatar, 3D workshop, screen recording, 8K videos, 4K images, branding, AI influencer article, ads, sell page, flip books, software coding, chatbots, or simply anything you want image. Get every AI and access all the premium AI model from one dashboard without any monthly fee. Click here now to get started. Thanks guide. Click below link for every AI and like, subscribe and push bell icon for notification. Thank guys. Meet again in next video.